Dear audience, welcome back. Today I am going to discuss about profit and loss. First of all, I would like to discuss some terms relating to profit and loss. Cost price. The price that we pay for purchasing a product or service is known as the cost price. Cost price is usually denoted by CP. Selling price, profit, loss, percentage profit and percentage loss will be calculated on cost price. Example, if we buy a mobile at 25,000 taka, then its cost price is 25,000 taka. The second term is the selling price. The price we get for selling a product or service is known as the selling price. It is usually denoted by SP. For example, if we sell a mobile at 26,000 taka, then the selling price of it is 26,000 taka. Profit. If the amount of selling price is more than the amount of cost price, then the extra amount of selling price than the cost price is known as the profit. And profit can be calculated by the formula I equals SP minus CP. Example, if we buy a mobile at 25,000 taka and sell at 26,000 taka, then the business will be profitable since the amount of selling price is more than the amount of cost price, and the profit is 26,000 taka minus 25,000 taka equals 1,000 taka. Here the term is loss. If the amount of selling price is less than the amount of cost price, then the extra amount of cost price is known as loss. Loss can be calculated by L equals CP minus SP. For example, if we buy a mobile at 25,000 taka and sell at 24,000 taka, then the business will be lost and the amount of loss is 25,000 taka minus 24,000 taka equals 1,000 taka. Dear audience, I hope that you could understand the today's lesson. Again, I will come along with a new video tutorial. Till then, goodbye.